snow? Here, check it out. There's just some snow. What do you think, pal? What do you think? Pretty cold out there, isn't it? Alright. Oh man. Oh, I don't know. If I can get out of here. Look at you. You're deep. This is. Stand over here next to this drift. See how tall it is. Wow.
You think I can just jump through it?
You gonna jump through it? Punch it again, punch it again. Jump right through it. Uh-oh, come on, let's go inside.